Okay guys, welcome to our next episode of Bell's Kitchen, and today we'll be making a beef salad. So first, we have two sirloin steaks right here, and we're gonna season with salt and pepper generously on both sides. You wanna make sure you pat the salt in so it's seasoned all the way. And you flip it over. Next side, some more salt and pepper. And then you want to massage it in. Get all this way. Make sure it's nice and seasoned. So behind me, I got my pot preheated. The pot is preheated, so we got our steaks, we want to lay it away from us so we don't get burned. Always want to hear that sear. If you don't hear that sizzle, then don't put the beef inside. Okay, so while that's going, we're going to cook it for 3 minutes on each side. Make sure we get we cook evenly. So 2 minutes on each side. We're gonna take up the steak and look at it. That's the color we're looking for. Nice medium red. We're gonna cook it like about medium. Depends on how you like your steak. You can cook it in the temperature you like it. I like my steak medium well, but I'm gonna cook it medium for this salad right here. This doesn't have much fat on it, so we don't have to worry about rendering the sides. They'll get all the flavor because we don't have much fat on this one. So now it's cooking. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter. And then this butter give it more flavor, so we're gonna lean the pot like this. We're gonna baste the steak so it fast up the cooking process and keep the steak nice and moist. So this butter is gonna melt, and you're gonna get like a nut brown flavor or nut brown color in the butter. And then you want to rest your steak as long as you cook it, so it doesn't dry out, it stays nice and moist. We're going to put it over again on this side. And then the same thing with this side. I'm going to set the pan and we're going to bake. Right now, your steak is at like medium rare. You're going to cook it for like 2 to 3 more minutes, and then you take it off and put it to rest, and then it will come up to temperature of medium. Because while the steak is resting, it's still cooking. So now we leave it for a minute, and then we'll flip it over, and then we'll take it out and put it on a plate and let it rest. I'm going to do it one more time, and then we're going to take it out and put it on a plate and let it rest. turn the heat off. And we're gonna take out your steak. And we're gonna leave all this goodness from the top. Like that. So we're gonna let our steak rest at the same time as we cook it, and then it's ready. Okay, so now we're gonna make the salad. So right here we got some spring mix, cherry tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, and we got some bell peppers. So first we're gonna, depends on if you have these peeler are very handy. It's nice for like getting nice strips and carrots. So we're gonna cut it across the grain. So we want to slice the steak not too thin and not too thick, so the thicker we slice it, it doesn't dry out easily. That's a medium.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to see any more cooking recipes. Bye. See you at the next video.